The Discover Recover Theatre project consists of a live drama performance that is based on the narratives of individuals who have experienced mental health challenges. Learners through the programme have an opportunity to attend the live drama performance. They then have the opportunity to come to a workshop, which is centred on developing their literacy. So we're looking forward to seeing how a more broader spectrum of the community engage as learners with the programme.
Life is not like that. Life can be hard.
Sadness came over me and I went into a zone, my own world. So the great strength of the play is it's live and it's dramatic, and therefore I think audiences can connect directly with the individuals and the characters in it. The stories are real and they have been recorded through interviews with people who have survived and are recovering. In giving it this sort of a presentation, it makes those stories much more relatable for audiences and something they can really connect with. It's live in front of them, and the performance element seems to really allow people to connect with that.
The Faith in the Crowd play is a story of hope. These are true stories, and they're stories of recovery. And it's just if you can get one person to see that through that dark moment in their life where they lose their way, by asking for help and getting support early in their life, the journey back is way shorter.
After the learners have experienced the live performance, we like to provide the opportunity to engage in a literacy-based workshop. The purpose of the workshop is to take the learning and be able for people to apply that to both themselves or in support of a family member or a community member.
The workshop then gives you the space to think through what's been happening in the play and to bring it to your own life.
It makes links to supports, both professional and in your own circle, more possible, that it's okay to ask for help.
It really makes them aware of signs in people, including themselves, that there may be difficulties in the area of mental health that shouldn't be ignored. Something like this shows people the consequences, that these things are not trivial, they can have lifelong consequences, and that's a real strength of it, and that's where I see how it matters.
The Adult Literacy for Life Collaboration and Innovation Funding, we're delighted that that is providing the Discover Recover Theatre project with the opportunity to meet potentially over 200 learners from a wide variety of community organisations in Wexford, and we hope to continue to be able to deliver into the future with the generosity of continued funding.
This project was supported by the Collaboration and Innovation Fund as part of the Adult Literacy for Life strategy.